We finally have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. First things first, we want to provide its display with the appropriate protection. We thought we'd try out the Whitestone thin glass screen protector. Today we are going to go through the installation process of the protector, and then I will give an honest review of the product. At first the process may look fairly complicated because of all the equipment that comes within the pack, but today I'll be showing you the process in the easiest way possible. Whitestone screen protectors are very reliable and popular, especially with the Samsung community. We have applied many of them to numerous devices, so we thought today we'd see how different it will be to apply one to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Hit our like and subscribe button to see more videos regarding accessories for the Z Fold 3 and many more devices. Before you start, I'd recommend turning off your phone. Also, make sure that there is no screen protector already attached to the handset, as one usually comes pre-installed. Within the box you receive a cleaning pack, a 4-part jig, an anti-slip strip, the squeegee, the glass screen protector, and a remover pack. Lay out all of the equipment to make things easy during the installation. Without further ado, let's get stuck into the application process. Firstly, place the anti-slip strip in the centre of your jig. Insert the large plastic bar to the top of the jig. Then put the phone into the centre. Ensure that the camera area matches the allocated section. Now it is time to clean the screen before you apply the glass. To do so, use the wet wipe to get rid of any dirt and grease. Now with the microfiber cloth, wipe off any liquid that may be left. Remove any dust or lint by dabbing the dust removal sticker across the screen. It is now time to turn our attention to applying the glass. Hold the top of the sheet that the glass is attached to, then pull back the tab to expose the adhesive side of the glass. Place the holes of the sheet through the tabs of the rig at each end. Then place the plastic attachment over the sheet at the top. Next, slowly push the squeegee from the bottom to the top of the glass. Take off the plastic attachment at the top of the jig and turn the squeegee over to the smaller side. Once again, push the glass at the top and the bottom. If bubbles do appear during the process, slowly pull back the film to about 2 cm below the bubble, and use the squeegee again to push the bubble out to the top of the glass. To finish, remove the film. There is now Whitestone glass protecting your precious new device. It has a 9H hardness to defend against more than just your everyday scratches, allowing for your device to be able to take on some of the harshest of impacts. There is an oleophobic coating on the protector. This reduces the chances of fingerprints being visible. So not only does it protect your display against damage, but it also helps it to stay looking clean. The fold of the glass has been tested 50,000 times, with the results being still no effect to its condition, allowing for you to give complete protection to the screen of your Z Fold 3. You'll be able to use the display as before the glass was fitted. The touch response is of lightning speed. There will be no friction when using the S Pen with your device, so you can get the most out of some of the exciting accessories that Samsung has to offer. Talking of accessories, with the glass being ultra thin and just having the thickness of just 0.3mm, you'll still be able to attach some of your favourite cases, whilst your display receives basically undetectable first-class protection. By using this screen protector, you'll also be cutting out 25% of blue light. This protects your eyes and reduces eye strain. If you are someone who uses their phone often, this is definitely a massive benefit. With the very high value of this device, you want to make sure it receives outstanding protection that has been made to last. The price point for the screen protector is not the cheapest, but it will guarantee the best quality of protection for the Z Fold 3 screen. If you would like to purchase the Whitestone Dome to protect the display of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, check out the link that I have left in the comments below. I hope you have found today's video useful. Don't forget to hit our like and subscribe button for if you want to see more videos like today. Share this with your friends for if they too are looking for screen protection. Comment below if you have any questions about the Whitestone glass screen protector. I have linked our website and other social media channels for if you would like to see more accessories for the Z Fold 3. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.